it's gonna be convenient, big time. When you're on 4-foot sidewalk, you try to stop. The thing is, if they go too quick, you can get the floor. I got a pre-made 4-foot, not 20 inches. Right. So as long as they pace it the way they need to, it'll just do exactly what you need.
Like I said, he's my, that's the one.
Okay.
He's the one. I'm like, oh, we can do it faster. You know what?
Give this a shot.
Give this guy a chance. I'm hoping that once everybody's on.
This is Dan with Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply, 954-778-4386. This is a new introduction of some new tools that are pretty critical for the pressure cleaning industry. These are the trough cleaners or gutter cleaners in the streets. They're 24-inch dual head, dual spray bar, 4-jet surface cleaner attachments that are engineered and designed at a pitched angle in order to be able to maximize the cleaning power when you're doing the street gutters, or the trough is what they call it, basically in the side of the street there. In one pass you're able to make an entire clean sweep on the gutters, or the trough. So any municipality, city, cleaning contractor that have miles and miles of gutter cleaning to do, this is the ultimate tool. Contact Dan Swede, 954-778-4386. Email me at sales@ices.net. That's sales@ices.net. And I'll send you a catalog, free catalog on this and other commercial pressure cleaning equipment like you see around here. We also offer 49-inch surface cleaners that can clean a full 4-foot sidewalk in one pass. Dozens of others, a dozen other surface cleaners, and at least 500 different model pressure washers are available at our facility. Thank you.